Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020. My name is Caroline Lee, and I'm going to go over the doTERRA January promotions for 2020. So as you can see on the screen, we have some amazing deals. There's a lot of information, so you're going to want to watch this short video. It'll probably be about 20 minutes long, and you will know what to take advantage of for this month. So the first thing I want to talk about is a brand new oil. This is our product of the month. And this is an oil that we have never had before, and it's pronounced Hinoki. And so the way that you get this particular oil is you place 125 PV, that's a point value, loyalty rewards order by January 15th, and a free bottle, a 5 ml bottle of Hinoki will automatically be placed in your order. So I want to tell you why you want to take advantage of. I've been studying a lot about what it is and how you use it. So let me dive into some facts about Hinoki so that you can feel really comfortable in using it. So Hinoki is derived from the wood of the Japanese Hinoki tree, and it actually provides a lot of benefits and uses. And it is a gentle oil when you use it on your skin. It's a good alternative for individuals who are very sensitive to other evergreen trees. And it's got a main chemical constituents of alpha pinene and delta catenine. And this provides relaxing and soothing aromas, really making Hinoki ideal for skincare and massages. Now in Japan, the oil is frequently used in baths to create a relaxing environment. And the tree itself has historical significance. The Hinoki wood is incredibly durable, which makes it very valuable for construction. In fact, it's been used for a lot of their temples and shrines and palaces in Japan. So that's really kind of cool. So it's very well used in there. The Hinoki tree has been overpopulating several areas of Japan. And through our sourcing program, Hinoki is not only helping to create jobs in rural Japan, but it's harvesting and contributing to the forest management programs. Now, when we get a Hinoki tree, we actually, because it's so valuable in Japan, we can only extract the oil from trees that have fallen. So that is just something that we do. It's kind of like the tree in Canada, the Siberian fir, I think it is. We do the same thing for that, right? We're going to be very environmentally friendly with that. So a few interesting facts as we continue. Dwarf Hinoki trees are often used as bonsai artists. And again, doTERRA uses the byproducts from the timber industry and the cutted trees to ensure that no part of the prized trees go to waste. Now, it does have a spicy lemon scent. It's light pinkish in color, and it's highly rot resistant. And it's been known for its energizing and uplifting, and it will aid in relaxation. It's frequently used, again, in personal care products like perfume because it has a fresh, airy scent. So there are 10 published studies on Hinoki so far as of 2019 in September in PubMed. And it takes, let's see, approximately half a pound of Hinoki wood to produce a 5 ml of Hinoki oil. It blends well with oils like, let's see, frankincense, bergamot, cypress, lemon, and sandalwood. And you can use it aromatically and topically neat. And I want to give you a couple recipes for blends. So if you need some help focusing, do 3 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of bergamot, and 2 drops of a Hinoki. And maybe you need some tranquility. So 2 drops of Hinoki, 2 drops of cedarwood, and 2 drops of that frankincense that you got last month. Maybe you'd need to let's see, let's do grounded. No, we did transfer leaf. Let's do one for hint of citrus. So 3 drops of Hinoki, 2 drops sandalwood, and 1 drop of tangerine. Now, if you want to learn more about Hinoki, I would suggest that you go to the Discover Solutions tab under doTERRA. There's actually, you can hear a video or a audio clip where they go over the history of the Hinoki plant and the tree and the oil and how you can utilize it. So it's very fascinating. So make sure you do that as well. Normally this oil is wholesale price at $24, but it is not available for resale. So the only way that you can get this particular oil is, again, through the loyalty rewards program, placing that 125 PV order before the 15th of the month. All right, we're gonna move right along to the product that is on sale. So you can get 10% off of the Slim and Sassy soft gels. Now this is designed to promote a healthy metabolism, to help you keep up with your weight management goals this year. A lot of us have it at the beginning of the year, right? To lose a couple pounds or lose the weight that we got from all of the holiday eating, right? So this is known to help manage hunger cravings for those moments when you find yourself reaching for a snack because of boredom. It also will help calm the stomach and lift the mood on days when you feel upset or discouraged. So all month long, you can enjoy 10% off of Slim and Sassy soft gels. Now, they are normally wholesale $34.50 or retail $46. So you get 10% off there. Typically, if someone's going to use it for weight loss purposes or weight management purposes, they're going to take 3 to 5 soft gels throughout the day as needed. They are non-GMO modified cornstarch, glycerin, purified water, all that kind of good stuff there in this soft gel. So if you don't like Slim and Sassy oil, this is a great alternative for you to use the soft gel versus the oil. All right, so let's go on to the next thing. Another thing that is on sale this month is you can get 30% off these brand new kits. These are not enrollment kits. These are just kits that they bundle up the oils. So you can save 30% off of the Sweet Dreams kit. It retails for $106.67, or you can get it wholesale for $80. But if you purchase it before now until the 15th, you'll get 30% off of that kit. Now, the Sweet Dreams kit provides a quick, natural way to help you relax, unwind, and get ready for a good night's sleep without leaving you feeling groggy and sleepy the next day. How many of us could use that? Now, experts recommend that adults get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And unfortunately, you guys, about 33% of Americans are not getting enough of the recommended sleep per night. Approximately 1 in every 5 adults in the United States experience occasionally sleeplessness or difficult sleeping, like I did last night, right, with all the festivities. Getting adequate sleep is vital to how you feel every day because it's essential to support your body in its natural recovering stage, right, and restoration processes. So you can use the Sweet Dreams kit. These all have oils and products that help support and calm the body. So a couple of ideas, you can use Roman chamomile in your bath before going to bed, just to kind of help you unwind. You can diffuse bergamot in your bedroom before you go to sleep to kind of create that uplifting but calming environment before you go to bed. You can also take Serenity soft gels every night before going to bed. You can take 1 or 2. Me, if I'm really having trouble sleeping, I take 2, but normally 1 is enough for me. You can also rub Calmer on the bottom of your kids' feet at bedtime to quiet restlessness. So just a few interesting things about Roman chamomile. It's very soothing to the mind. It has a chemical profile full of esters and calming constituents, which means it's helpful to soothe the systems of the bodies when you use it internally. Bergamot, a little bit about bergamot. It's got some soothing and calming aroma. It promotes a sense of tranquility and harmony and is often used in massage therapy for calming benefits. It is a citrus oil, so you need to be careful with that. Calmer. Now, Calmer is the restful blend, and so as its name says, we want to have a restful atmosphere at bedtime, so we're going to use that. It's going to provide a relaxing and positive aroma, and soothing benefits. And then the Serenity soft gels, those are help relieve occasional sleeplessness and promotes healthy relaxation. So really, if you want to help get a refreshing sleep without feeling groggy or sleepy, get this kit. Again, 30% off before the now and the 15th. Then it goes back to the 80 bucks. All right, the other kit that is 30% off is called the Game Changer. So you purchase this before the 15th of the month and you save some money. Normally it is retail $82.67, wholesale $62, but you get 30% off if you purchase it before the 15th. This Game Changer product delivers the perfect complements to your workout. So a lot of us have workout goals. Doesn't matter if we're going to the gym or we're just getting started. Deep Blue Rub provides comforting sensation of cooling and warmth to your problem areas. It's great to use before and after. We also have doTERRA's top-selling deep oil blend, which has the wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, blue tansy, and German chamomile. In that, helichrysum, let's see, what else did I say? And osmanthus. Now the rub is a full bottle of the 5 ml bottle in the lotion form. So this is great. It's an essential for your gym bag. Throw in there for your tired muscles and joints. We also have copaiba for a whole body wellness, and it supports your cardiovascular, immune system, your digestive and nervous system as well. And research indicates the aroma of peppermint oil has the potential to decrease perceived exertion in high intensity activities, and that oral supplementation may positively influence several markers of your performance. So this is a great one to take internally. Peppermint beadlets are great for that too. But to promote optimal performance, try diffusing peppermint in your home, in the gym, or adding a glass to your water before your intense workout to help out that. So again, use that Deep Blue after your strenuous activity. I like to do it before and after. You could take a drop of copaiba to support your cardiovascular system in the morning. You can also place a drop of peppermint in your palm, inhale before you work out. Sometimes putting it on your chest diluted is a great way to just get deeper breaths in there. All right, so kickstart your wellness. Let's start 2020 with everything you need to live a natural lifestyle. Getting started with doTERRA can be as easy as 3 steps, and that's placing your order and placing an order again in February, and then you're going to earn some free product points. So let's talk about how this works. So to earn 100 points, which is about $100 in products, depending on what you're getting, you enroll in January with a kit or a 100 PV order, and you set up and place a 100 PV loyalty rewards order. That's the monthly ordering program that we have. And you can edit that before it goes out in February. So a lot of us like to just put something in there to kind of reserve it. So we have the intention to do that. And then the Wellness Advocate will kind of teach you what to put in the cart for the second month before that goes out. You place that second order in February and you will receive 100 free points. Typically that will start and that will be posted about March 15th, where you'll have access to redeem those product points that you get. So it's a great way to get started. There's all sorts of kits, healthy home, simple solutions, lots of ways as we get started in the new year, we start thinking a little more health conscious, have new goals and that we want to work towards. This is a great way to get started and get some bonus of free product that you can start your oil collection rapidly. So with that, I just want to say Happy New Year. Hope you have a very healthy new year. If you're not currently working with a Wellness Advocate, you're welcome to reach out to me or the person who sent you this video so that you can view it. I'm sure they're more capable of helping as well. But I would love to help you on your essential oil journey if you need some help with that. With that, hopefully you take advantage of doTERRA's amazing sales this month and promotions and get some free product. Get things at reduced cost for you. Have a wonderful and safe new year. Take care, friends.